Morning everyone, welcome to day 9 of the 12 days of Carrie. Today is Sunday and I'm gonna head to church in a little bit, so I want to show you how I'm gonna carry and what I'm gonna carry. Don't mind all my boxes, we did a lot of gift wrapping yesterday. So I'm wearing this black sweater that has like a mock turtleneck, and I'm just grabbing my Dean Adams corset holster that I've had for like 10 years now. And they actually have this exact color back. I don't know if it's limited time, but I saw it on their website recently. There's the ink stain. It's like this pink and white with a lace, it's so cute. Mine has trigger protection in it that I installed. They used to sell these trigger guards that you would just sew through the back. They have a different trigger guard now, but make sure you get a trigger guard if you get one of these corset holsters. If I want a gun like higher on my waist than just having it low on my waist like in a sticky holster, I'll carry in this. And then I just take my sweater out. And I'm gonna tuck it into my pants as well, otherwise the bottom's gonna show. Okay, so I've got it inside my pants, under my sweater. If I lift my arms up, you can't see it. So I'm gonna take my Bodyguard 2.0 carry comp and put it in that concealment pocket, and I'm gonna open this nice and wide with my thumb and index finger and just holster nice and slow. And now it's in that trigger guard. You can hear it. There's a hard piece of plastic guarding the trigger. Look how deep it's in that pocket. I'm also gonna be carrying my Palm pepper spray, P-O-M, and an extra magazine with my Neomag pocket clip to keep it in place. The Neomag Gen 2s have a really strong clip. It's hard to open it sometimes, which is good because it's not gonna come out of your pocket, but sometimes I need like a knife or something to open up this clip so I don't break my nail. Hold on. I use a spoon because it's safer. I've also been using a Neomag for about 10 years. I love this thing. And the Gen 2s are really strong. Okay. There it is in my pocket. Okay, and then on this side I have my Buck Budgie pocket knife, which I don't use for self-defense. These are like a cutting tool. I use these for boxes and if I need to cut a package open or something like that. I also want to show you guys, did you know that Glock makes watches? This watch is a Glock watch. I love that it's silver and gold because I usually wear gold, but if I want to wear silver, I can still wear this watch with both. And it's so beautiful. They make men's and women's watches. I'll link them below.
Inherit salvation. Does that not humble you? Ministering servants sent for your sake, friend.
So we just got back from church and Mac is working later today, so I'm making my list of things I need to do today because there's quite a bit. I have to cut up another deer leg. We did one yesterday and we're just, you know, chipping away at that deer. I have to clean, like do a little cleaning of my in-laws apartment because they're coming tomorrow. So I just want to like vacuum anything dusty because dust settles over time, and clean out their fridge because we did have another deer in there previously. I have to do my grocery like meal plan and list and then go to the grocery store. And I also want to get some stuff for my in-laws for when they're here. I have to finalize Christmas gifts because today is the 21st, so it's like crunch time, you know? I think I'm pretty much done except a couple possible Yankee swap things I need. I want to clean the house, and then I have to edit and post yesterday's video because it's almost 1 o'clock on Sunday, and normally I've been posting the previous day's video at 9 o'clock, but yesterday was just not the day. So I honestly have to do like an outro for that video too. Let me put that in here. Day 8 outro, because I didn't really get to film that yesterday. So that's what I've got going on today. So there's my list. I'm still wearing my corset, by the way. This thing's so comfortable. You can just wear it all day long. I'm home now, haven't taken it off, and I'll probably just leave it on. What you guys didn't just see is that I cut up another deer leg from the deer Mac harvested. So that's a little bit more of that deer is butchered and in the freezer. But I have to make my grocery list because it's already 3 o'clock and I feel like I have so much to do today. So I'm making my grocery list of things that I need just for our house. Things I want to put in my in-laws' fridge because I want them to have some food in there when they get here tomorrow. And things that I'm making for Christmas Day. I really want to make cinnamon rolls on Christmas morning. That's like a tradition I want to start because I just started making cinnamon rolls and they're so good. If you follow this recipe perfectly, you will get the best cinnamon rolls ever. And it's not even that hard. I always thought they were so hard to make, but they're really not. So I have my iPad here. I have a grocery list that I made, and I just highlight the things I need this week. So I'm gonna print this out and take it with me. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna make chili, because I feel like that's a good welcome food. In my family, like traditionally, my parents would always make like Greek chicken soup when someone arrived from a trip that was like welcome home soup. I'm gonna do chili tomorrow, so I have to get stuff for that. And the next day, I'm gonna be doing bacon wrapped venison backstraps from Max Deer. And then we have Christmas Eve and Christmas. So I'm not gonna be cooking like dinner here for that. So I have to get things for all of that. And then I also need to get a few Yankee Swap gifts, because every year my family does a Yankee Swap instead of like everybody buying everybody gifts. Alright, I have my grocery list ready to go. It's actually organized by aisle. I'm also still carrying my gun, nice and comfy in that corset holster. So I'm gonna carry this way to the grocery store as well. I'm just gonna put a vest on over it because it's about high 30s out, so I wanna keep warm. Alrighty, let's go. I don't know why I've been so thirsty today. I'm usually not a huge water drinker, which I know is not good. And normally I want to like grab an iced coffee right now, like make an iced coffee with the coffee I didn't finish earlier. But I'm gonna do my body a favor and have some water instead. And she equips herself a Yeti. Okay, I think I'm officially done with all of my Christmas shopping. I actually forgot my wallet. I stood in this long line at the paper store, forgot my wallet, had to come back to the car, and then went back in. And then they ended up making a mistake on one of my purchases. They charged me the wrong amount for something, so I had to go back in line and get them to refund it, but they did. They were very nice. So that's it for my shopping. And now I have to go grocery shop and get all my grocery stuff, so let's do that. Going to Market Basket the Sunday before Christmas feels like a mistake, but here we are. I can always tell how bad it is based on the line leaving the parking lot, and it's pretty bad. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Let's do it. Market Basket always has the best music of any grocery store. My poor birds outside. I've been without birdseed for like a week now. I feel like it's fully my responsibility to feed them. I would do a grocery haul, but it would literally take me an hour to show you guys everything I got. I just want to say, Market Basket has the best prices. Like, if I had gotten all of this at Stop and Shop or Star Market or Big Y, anything like that, it would have cost at least twice as much. So here's everything I got. Now I have to go put it away. Some of this is for my in-laws and some is for like Christmas parties we're going to. This is for ice creams for a dessert that Mac likes to make for a party we're going to. But now I have to put this all away. I've got some Office playing, and here's what I'm working with. I gotta clean this out and then restock. So here's a before. Let's take a look. And the after will be in 3, 2, 1. We did it. All organized. Everything's away. Time to do some editing. I've got all my lights on. I finally have my video uploading. It's like 8 o'clock. And this guy is losing his mind. I haven't gotten a chance to like exercise them much today. Why is it so yellow? And he's losing it. Dude, you just messed up the rug. Come here. He wants to PLAY right now, but like it's pitch black outside. What am I supposed to do with you right now? Did I feed you dinner? Oh, do you want dinner? I don't think I gave you dinner. Do you want some dinner? Okay, I'm gonna make them dinner because I'm gonna look like a terrible like dog parent because yesterday I didn't feed them breakfast until lunchtime. Until like noon, and now it's 8 o'clock and I didn't feed them dinner. This does not always happen. But also in the wild, they wouldn't be eating at regular times. They wouldn't even be eating for whole days, so I don't feel that bad. We're gonna do some venison. And so look at Wyatt. He's just waiting there. Wait for it. Are you waiting for your dinner? So we're doing venison. Okay, now that I uploaded my video, actually I haven't finished yet. I have to do a thumbnail and then actually upload it to YouTube. It's currently uploading to my hard drive. But now that I'm like done with the editing process, once I get my thumbnail ready and I can schedule it, I'm gonna go clean my in-laws' apartment, put some stuff in their fridge that I got for them today, and that's like the last thing on my list for today. I did not get to cut up more of that deer, unfortunately. There was just no time, but that's okay. It's fine hanging out in the garage. It's cold enough out there, so I might get to more of that tomorrow, who knows. Actually, tomorrow I have a coffee and Bible study date with my friend Katie. So I'll be meeting with her tomorrow. So that'll be fun. I'll take you guys along and show you how I carry. And then in the afternoon, Mac and I are gonna go pick up his parents from the airport. And we'll see what else we get up to tomorrow. I think for today, I'm probably gonna close this out. Man, that tripe smells so bad. Thank you guys for joining me for day 9 of the 12 days of carry. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 10. Stay safe. Bye. Wait, I didn't hit it. Stay safe. Bye.